log into our Rattan Sharepoint, please go onto our website and click on the link in the top right hand corner. This link will take you to a sign-in page. Here, please add your school login details. So the first bit will be your school email address, which is 4 digits followed by @rattan.co.uk. Once you have put that in, please click on next. Add the password that you use to log into the school system. I recommend here you stay signed in so the computer can remember who you are. Once you have signed in, you will land on our new Rattan Sharepoint homepage. Here you can see latest news from school and around the world. You can see the community points, so which community is in the lead at the moment. You can see the word of the day, and you can see your achievement data. This will include your reward points and your behaviour points. You can also access your OneDrive, your email, your classes and your assignments. In the top left hand corner you'll notice there are 3 lines. If you click on that, that will take you to the school's mega menu. Once you click on the mega menu, 4 columns will appear: communications, my subjects, classes and my links. Communications includes information around your community, extracurricular and links to key areas of Office 365. My subject are the areas that you are studying. It will only show the subjects that you study here. Your classes will show every class you are in. My links is where you can add links if you want to have a link to something you use on a regular basis.